Hi everyone, I'm Marissa Leone, an attorney with Calidus Legal AI. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to do basic legal research on our platform. You can find the basic legal research tool under AI litigation solutions. Click Case Search. There are a number of ways you can do legal research on our tool. You can do a basic keyword search, type in, select Add. Scroll down to find the cases. You can also do a traditional search. This is more of a scroll down to review your cases and select each case to open up the legal opinion in Court Listener. AI search, where you can do legal research by information about your case or a specific legal question. Go ahead and type in the box and select AI-powered search. Scroll down to get your cases and select each case to be able to read their opinion on Court Listener. You can also search by selecting different filters such as areas of law, trial stage, or specific holdings and facts. Scroll down to get your cases, select to open up the legal opinion listener. I also want to show you a way to filter your case search by selecting jurisdictions in this button. Click Select. We automatically select all jurisdictions for your legal research, but you can hit Clear All and then select specific jurisdictions that you would like included in your legal research. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to support@calidusai.com. Good luck.